Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your TikTok account into a private account. You will be able to hide your followers, your following list, your content, everything will be hidden. Let's jump into the app first. When you're at TikTok, I want you to click on the lower right corner over here where you see your profile, okay? Then I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then I want you to head on settings and privacy. Then I want you to click on the second option over here, which is privacy. When you're at privacy, you will be able simply to switch account from public to private account. I understand this is very exciting, but there are particular things that you should know. There are situations in which on TikTok you're not gonna be able to hide yourself, even if you block someone, even if you make your account private. So pay very close attention over here. With a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos, okay? Essentially, if somebody creates a duet with you, okay, and this other account publishes the duet, okay, then if the other account did not block the person that you try to hide from, the other person will see your account. Meaning, you turn your account private, right? Somebody creates a duet with you, they publish the duet, they publish the video, and you're still gonna be able to have expulsion. So this means that people will still be able to see it. If you click on it, right, and if you read about it, you will find out that sometimes the private accounts are not offering the 100% guarantee. So your account will be showing up on the search results. People will be able to find your handle, to find your account, but they're not going to be able to see who you are following. They're not going to be able to see who is following you, right? So there will be just a small picture, your handle, and that will be it. They're not going to see any content. They're not going to see the highlights, the saves, the tags, right, the duets or collaborations, because your account is private. This is the upside over here. Let's say you try to switch back. This is what is going to change. When you switch back to public account, anyone will be able to follow you and view your public post. Anyone can duet with your videos. Anyone can stitch with your videos, okay? Except for videos that you don't allow. Anyone can download your videos. So the main point over here, guys, is that private account offers you, flexibility. They cannot download your content. Nobody can copy you. Even the bots cannot download and create fake accounts and publish your content. Something that has been happening with my accounts all over again. I have over 200 different fake accounts on TikTok. So this is the point over here. If you want to do it, do it. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.